Show my ass. These niggas love free. How the fuck is that your man? If he right here with me, turned up with my.
That was just a song going on. Hey guys, what's going on? What's going on? My name is Jerry. I am a current film student at Essex County County. I want to get into BTS and travel the world. I was a student of Sean's. And I went to his workshop and I was thinking about which poem I should do.
We do love you, Jerry, but...
I know, I'm doing it right now. I got to hold up right now.
What in the twin magic? Hold
on. This is something I wrote today. I need you guys' help though.
New shit!
I need you guys to stop for me, right? Can you hear that sound? Making a pulse in the ground, making your heart take a pound. Can you hear that sound? Where voices can be found, calling out the oppressors. America screaming, why suppress her? Do you hear that sound? Howling in the air like a herd hound. It's from the people who lurk around town. Do you hear that sound? It's the sound of unrest. Do you hear that sound? The people are upset. Do you hear that sound? It's the sound of the oppressed. Do you hear that sound? The people have nothing left. Do you hear that sound? The people pass the sword. Do you hear that sound? The people are ready to fight. Do you feel that sound? No more barking out of sight. Do you feel that sound as it vibrates through the ground? Do you feel that sound? It's floating all around. It's been around in the background, always there. You didn't know this. You didn't know this. There was no way your perfect life and sway to the tune of the crowd. As it got louder, the chant of the people. As it got prouder, do you see that? How one little sound can do so much. The people have had enough. It's just like a sound on a mountainside. The sound of the people grows with time. Do you hear that sound? It's the sound of history. And where you stand, all will see. Do you hear that sound? It's the sound of the people marching free. Poem.